Hello there, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I have not done a thrift flip in so long. Well, not our normal kind whereby we flip bed sheets and curtains and tablecloths. No, the real thrift flip whereby we turn one garment into something else, and I'm really excited because that is what I'm doing today. And so for this video I have 4 garments that I want to flip. So I'm going to start off with this black skirt right here. On here it looks really good, honestly, but on me it looks so bad. I will have like a clip or a photo of how the garments look before, and in all honesty, I don't know. I want to turn this into a really fitting skirt and maybe add up a slit, and if I can't add up a slit, I'll figure out something. I want to make it more fitting. So right from this spot right here, this is where my zip is. So just right under the zipper on both sides, I'm going to be taking it in, and as I go further down, I'm going to be increasing the size so that at least it gets to look like that. Okay, so the side seams are sewn up. I first sewed a stitch and then I tried it on. I found out that it was a bit bigger. I went in with a second stitch, and now all I have to do is trim both sides and my skirt will be ready. Okay, so this is the finished look of the skirt. I paired it with this white top that is so pretty and these heels. Honestly, I do not know how to style skirts, so if you have any ideas on how I can style this skirt, please just share. And yeah, I think it fits really nice, and for someone who doesn't wear skirts, I think it's not that bad. So on to the next. Now for the second project, I'm going to be dealing with this beautiful print right here. Now the top is nice, the print is nice, but they do not go together. Well, at least for me. Now it has this nice scoop neck, it has elastic at the neckline, it has an elastic at the sleeve, and it has a center seam at the center front and at the center back, which makes it a bit confusing for me. I also have darts both at the front and at the back, and I have this slit at the front. Now right now I'm thinking of turning it into a Milkmaid top. It's been like a week, not even the next day. You know, the next day would be reasonable. It's been like 8 days or 9, but here we are. So today I'm determined to sew and get done with this project. So don't mind my hair, don't mind my outfit, we're here to sew. Okay, so the first piece that I'm going to start with today is this top right here. As you can see, it's in pieces. That is because I cut it out. As I said, I want to lower the back neckline, so I just cut it. So what I did, I wore the top, and then I marked out where I want the neckline to go. I marked out my underbust as well, so I have points under my bust, under one bust, and then like right at the center, because I need it to be a curve, not a straight line, so that it fits nicely. I also marked that exact same point at the back, and that is where the elastic will go. I'm still debating on whether to use elastic thread or a real elastic, but I think the elastic will hold better because, you know, it's my bust, you know what I'm doing, you know. Yeah, I also cut out the bottom to where I want it to get, so I will just be folding this in like that, but this will be the last step. So to start sewing this, I'm going to be sewing in this elastic that I think will fit. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping it does, because I want the neckline to be like snug and it doesn't fall out. I'm also debating whether I should take off the sleeves or not, but yeah. So I'm first going to be sewing the elastic onto the back neckline, and then so this is how I'm going to sew it, just like this. Stitch once and then fold and then top stitch, and then I can add the elastic under the bust, and then you can get to cinching in the waist, which is going to happen either at this back seam right here or at the dart. I don't know where, but it's happening. Okay, so let's get to the machine.
The worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell. Take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No, there's no more saving face. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can meet me in the next life or the next one again. Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But really I'm just passing the time. If you and me.
Okay, with the old ladies top done, it's time to get started on the pregnant lady's dress. Yes, honestly, I love the color of this dress. It's chiffon and it has like a polyester stretchy lining. The other thing I love about this dress is the sleeve. Honestly, just look at that. It has a tulip sleeve. Amazing. But then again, this dress is so big on me. It has that square vibe. It makes me look twice my age and like kind of pregnant. I don't like that vibe, so I'm trying to turn it into a dress that I can wear. I love dresses, honestly, so I'm going for the vibe where we have like a bigger top. But I have like a bigger top and then a cinched in waist and then a flared skirt portion. So I'm going to divide this skirt into 3 portions. So the first part is all the way to just slightly below my underbust. This is my underbust, so just right here, and then the other portion is going to be from right here to like just at my waist, because I do not want it to go past my waist. So I'm going to be adding pins to those points, and then the next portion is going to be the skirt portion, which is already there. Honestly, I'm very much skeptical about this project because I'm not sure it's going to turn out good. Okay, but the first 2 have been great, so not beating myself up. Okay, so I said I'm going to be cutting it into 3, and here comes the 3 pieces. So I've got number 1, which is the midsection. I'm going to be taking off the lining because I want it to be like a strip of translucent. And then I've got the top, and I've got the bottom. Not the cleanest of cuts, but that's how we work with it. So the first step, gather. I'm going to gather this skirt portion and the top portion. After gathering, I'm going to be cutting this small section right here into the side width, which is cutting off this section on this side and cutting off this section on this side to the same side, nothing like. And then I'm going to attach everything back together. Okay, so pieces are gathered. This is the top and this is the skirt, and I also went ahead and attached this right sides facing. Now a nice hack when you are dealing with chiffon or really delicate fabrics is to reduce the stitch length. As you can see, my stitch length is really small. You're also supposed to change the needle to a really small needle, but I didn't have time for that, or rather I was lazy to do that, so I just changed up. I switched to a really small stitch and it holds up pretty nice. So I'm just going to be attaching these pieces to this piece right here. So right sides touching, I'm going to attach to that, and then right sides facing, attach to this. So this dress is done, and it drained me. It drained me. When I say that my sewing machine sometimes is like, it's against me, sometimes it's true, because anyway, that's between me and my sewing machine. But as I said, I'm not sure about this dress. I was a little bit skeptical because of the whole cutting part and everything. And as you can see, this side is bigger than this, but it's giving us symmetrical. Okay, I have not taken out this stitch line, or this stitch line that I used to gather, but I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'm gonna style it again. Not the worst for now. In future I might take it out at the top so that I can gather this side like more. I gather this side more on this side, or rather transfer all these gathers evenly. But I'm not mad. Okay, this is the concept I was going for. I'm not mad, but it has taken enough out of me and I'm not going to deal with it anymore. So if I want to adjust it, that's another thing. And lastly, I have this fabric right here that I made into a jumpsuit like 2 years ago. And then I wore the jumpsuit like twice or thrice, and then I was like, nah, this jumpsuit is no longer my vibe, so I'm going to take it apart. And because this fabric is so cute, I will make it into something else. Now I want to turn it into like a nice dress with like really flared sleeves. Now this is a complicated flip, honestly, and if you want a detailed tutorial on how I made that dress from the drafting process, because I'll have to draft first before I cut into this fabric, just let me know and the video will be waiting to be posted. Tell me why cutting this dress took so long, just because I was trying to figure out the placings because of the whole cutout for the jumpsuit area. Honestly, not a bad. I also ran out of fabric, but I have one back piece, another back piece, and I have a full front piece. Now I have a cutesy design that I have done. So this design is gonna look, ignore all these threads because Yeah. So this is how the dress is going to look. I have a cutout right here, and then it's gonna be tied like that, and then a really high heel. Yeah. So I got stressed out when I was cutting the facing because I do not want to line this. I'm doing a facing for the top part so that it can be cute. So I've got one full piece for the front facing and 2 pieces for the back facing. So I just want to start with the facing so that I can see how the neckline looks. Once I'm done with the whole neckline part, I can go to the back zipper and then complete up the back, and then from there I can add up my sleeve. I have the cutest sleeve, so because I ran out of fabric, I grabbed this white fabric right here that matches the one that is in the pattern. So I'm going to have that like that, and then I'm going to have this flared sleeve over here. I'm really excited to see how it actually looks like. Yeah, so after the zipper I'm going to attach the sleeve, and then I'm going to do the side piece and hem.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, caught my eye. Whatever, cross that line. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
Neckline is done and shoulders are attached. Really happy with the outcome, and now it's time to attach the zipper. Honestly, I'm really tired, but today this dress is getting done. There's a lot of noise, so I might not talk that much, but let's see how it goes.
I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, caught my eye. Whatever, cross that line. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying, but my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.